Welcome to this HitFilm Express tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover simple text animation. There are so many editing video tutorials on the internet that are jam-packed with great information. However, these tutorials can sometimes be intimidating because of the level of difficulty and the quantity of information that is covered. Also, it's confusing to go through a very comprehensive tutorial when all you want is a simple demonstration of one or two tasks. Hopefully, this tutorial will provide a quick and easy review of simple text animation in HitFilm Express. At this point, I'm assuming that you have the application downloaded. As you can see, we will be creating this type of text animation. I'm going to start a new session and create a new composite shot. Let's create the layer for the background. Let's create a text layer. I'll rename this white. I'm going to enlarge it. Text tutorial. Let's create a bar. With the bar, we're going to shorten the width to around, say, 200. That's white also. Okay, let's animate the bar now. So I put it in first position, transform, position. I'll move it out. I'll move the timeout 1 second. Let's put the bar in the second position. Oh, that looks nice. O for out. Loop it. Let's play it. Oh, nice. Now let's copy our white text so we can have a duplicate copy. Control C for copy, Control V for paste. And so that the text will blend with the bar, we need to use a fill effect. Select fill color. And we need a set matte effect. On the fill color, we're going to blend it at 100%. Change the color to yellow. And under set matte, we're going to set the layer source to bar. We're going to leave it alpha. Replace the subtract, and we're going to invert. And let's see. That blend looks nice. Oh wow. Yeah, that looks real nice. So what you want to do to be more creative is to add texture, gradient, or some effect to the bar. Light, fades. That'll make it look real nice. Also, you can play with the text. Let me know what you think about this simple text animation tutorial video. Thanks for watching.